our chief guest, Honorable Patli Champika Tanaka, Minister of Megapolis and Western Development, and our guest of honor, Honorable State Minister of Mahavali Development and Environment Engineer Ajit Marna Peruma, our patron, Engineer P. Dayaratna, former Minister, our Vice Patron, Vidya Jyoti, Professor Dayanta Vidyasekara, Chancellor, Univotech, Chairman, Engineering Council of Sri Lanka, Professor S.B.S. Abeyakon, President-elect, Engineer P.R.D.R. Chansiri, Keynote Speaker, Past President, Engineer Anton Piris, Immediate Past President, Engineer K.K. Kitsiri, and Honorary Secretary, Engineer S.B. Udukumbura, special invitees, past presidents, trustees, council members, and certificate recipients. Ladies and gentlemen, as President of IISL, I wish to thank at this moment Honorable Minister for Megapolis and Western Development, Engineer Patli Champika Tanaka, who took the leadership in presenting the Engineering Council Act in the Parliament and took every action to establish the Engineering Council. At the same time, I would like to thank our patron, Honorable P. Dayaratna, for his continuous support given to us the drafting of Engineering Council Act as well as ISL activities. Honorable Geethanjana Gunawardena, sir, you always help us in this connection, and also when you were Deputy Minister, you helped us to develop this SIDA Act. We have taken every measures to maintain the standards of incorporate engineers and engineering diplomas to the international standards. With the formation of Engineering Council of Sri Lanka, at the moment we are receiving application for our membership from different kinds of engineering graduates and engineering diplomates. These days we are preparing an accreditation policy for IISL and try to award membership to suitable categories in our institution for those applicants. Offering membership based on competency demonstration report followed by a professional review was in practice for the past 8 years. We always educate new applicants on code of ethics of an engineer as well as bylaws of the Institution of Incorporated Engineers Sri Lanka, at the same time offering of the membership of IISL. IISL has increased its total membership strength many folds over this year. Vice President membership did a tremendous service to attain this target. It has become a stakeholder and a representative body in the recently established Engineering Council. We have already discussed about a series of CPD programs at suitable levels to enhance the knowledge of our members. We already have a well-established Toastmasters Club for our members to improve their leadership skills and communication skills. We have already obtained ISO 9000 standards for our institution. Hopefully, we will be able to start the multi-story building, which you laid the foundation stone about 8 years back, and in the near future. Incorporated engineers and engineering diplomates have contributed immensely for the development of our country. There is a considerable number of our members working abroad and brings out foreign exchange to our country. As Institution of Incorporated Engineers Sri Lanka, we have been always looking after our members, either they serve in Sri Lanka or overseas. As President of IISL, I am very happy for the opportunity I got to serve them for 1 year, and happy to say I achieved all the things I planned to do during this session. Especially I have to thank Engineer Lalindra De Silva for introducing Cargill's Bank loan scheme for our members and the other benefits. I achieved all the things I planned to do during this session with the contribution of my Council of Management. I wish them every success in their future endeavors. Finally, I would like to thank our chief guest, Honorable Minister for Megapolis and Western Development, Engineer Partli Champika Ranawaka, and our guest of honor, Honorable State Minister of Mahaweli Development and Environment, Engineer Ajith Marnapiruma, and other invitees for being here, accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. Despite of thousands of official commitments you all have today, this evening is a memorable one to all of us. Let me congratulate the certificate recipients and bless all participants to grow and prosper. Thank you very much.